Hello everyone, this is my first tutorial on this channel, how to run local AI on your computer. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to ollama.com, and then you're going to want to download Ollama, and you download it right here. It's a few gigabytes, and you will need some space to download these AI models and Ollama. And if you're using this for Visual Studio Code, like the app right here, it is actually a great way to use it, and you will be able to find a way to connect that. You'll have to download the Continue extension, and then you can find a way to connect it with Ollama. But this is just Ollama. Let me show you what the Ollama interface looks like. This is it right here, and you can also go on Ollama, and this is where you look at the models. Make sure the model is good for your computer. So, for example, AI models that I got was Qwen 2.5 Coder. I got the 14B version, and the higher the level, this stands for billion parameters, so the larger the parameters, the more powerful the model is, but it'll also require stronger hardware from your computer. But if you want to download it, what you do is you actually copy and paste this. But first of all, you're going to want to choose a version that works for you. So for example, if you want to run the 7 billion parameter version, you just copy and paste this into command prompt. So you just go to command prompt and you just copy and paste it, and then you press enter. And after you press enter, it's going to show a little progress screen, and sometimes it freezes, but it can take a while because these models, at least the 14B version of Qwen 2.5 Coder and DeepSeek Coder V2 16 billion parameters, they took around 9 gigabytes respectively, and I want you to be prepared for that. But you can also check the hardware requirements for running these models. For example, if I look at my system settings, you go to your system information if you're on Windows, and you these settings are important. Installed physical memory, available virtual memory. These will help you. These will tell you what kind of models you can have. Your GPU and your CPU are both important, so you can just search up 24B AI hardware requirements, and then you get a to run a 24B AI model, you need a GPU without 16 gigabytes of VRAM, or so if your VRAM is under that, then the model won't really run well. And it recommends 64 gigabytes of system RAM. I only have 32 gigabytes, and some people, they don't have very good hardware at all. So what they do is sometimes they get the really small models, but they won't be as smart as the larger ones. Anyways, if I want to use the model, I can just press. I'm just going to show kind of what it's like. And it does take some time to respond sometimes, because it is running locally. If it's a small model though, it can usually respond quite instantly. Anyways, that's how to run local AI on your computer. And I guess to show the full capabilities, I will show you how it can be used on Visual Studio Code. Like for example, I got the Continue extension. It just called Continue, like the word. And I asked it a question: find where the Firefox branding is, explain which brandings control the branding, do not modify anything yet. I downloaded the Firefox source code, and it gave me this answer after a while, and then it kind of froze here, and I just decided not to wait for an answer. So yeah, that kind of shows you what you can do with local AI. It looks like you're interested in the concept of tests and would like more detailed information. Well, yeah, but that's just showing that it works. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful, so goodbye.